Hi everyone, it's Jason. Welcome back to the show. So today we're going to be looking at thumbnails, specifically how to create thumbnails. If you're like me, you've had issues creating thumbnails in the past. My thumbnails have ranged from not bad all the way down to what was I thinking. So the resources we're going to be using are canva.com and remove.bg. Both are free and both allow you to either modify pictures, create thumbnails. You can use both to create thumbnails, which is what we're going to do in this tutorial. So before we begin, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that like button because it helps a lot. And if you know someone who's also in need of help with creating thumbnails, maybe share this video with them and hopefully it'll be of benefit to them. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, and here's our video. So thumbnails are a very important part of a YouTube channel. When a person is scrolling through YouTube searching for any number of results, the first thing they'll notice is the thumbnail. Sometimes instead of the title itself, they'll just see the picture and decide they want to click on it. As you can see, my channel has 240 subscribers currently. And that's not to say that my videos aren't being watched, but they're not being watched in the numbers that would make a difference. So what I'm hoping happens with updating these thumbnails with something a little bit more snazzy is it draws more attention to my page. So we'll have to revisit this in maybe a few weeks, see if there's been any real significant change. So we need to pick a video where we can change the thumbnail to something a little bit more interesting. Let's see. Alright, let's make a new version for our Guardian Circle video. So we'll go back to the YouTube studio and we'll find it. Okay, hit details. Alright, now there it is. So this video currently has 27 views. So let's see if by changing the thumbnail, if we can raise that up a bit. So the question is, what do you do? Like, what kind of changes can you make to a video to make it so that people want to click on it? So let's go to Canva and we're going to see if we already have that saved. As you can see, I've been very busy in Canva coming up with different thumbnails ideas. So we're going to open up the thumbnail we already created. And so the question becomes, what can you do to this thumbnail that makes it more interesting? Because right now, as you can, I wasn't too satisfied with this one to begin with. It didn't really do anything for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to uploads and find this picture. And remember, Canva is free to use. There it is. Okay, then we're going to download the original. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this nice picture here. And we're going to go to remove.bg. Now remove.bg, it takes the process of removing backgrounds and makes it very simple. It just requires you to upload a picture. I really like this website. So we're going to go to upload image and it removes the background from behind Mark. So we're going to download that. Then we're going to come back to Canva. We're going to upload the new picture. Big boy. And there it is. And we're going to add that to our thumbnail design. Okay. See there. Okay, we're going to put him over here. Okay. So So that's one thing we could do. So what's another thing we can do? Let's see. Add me. And there we go. Turn it around and put me next to Mark. And now you have a new thumbnail for that video. But you can see the reflection of my glasses. So let's get rid of that. Put in one where I'm not wearing my glasses. And flip. There we go. Which should hopefully make it stand out more. I'm going to make Mark a little bigger. Make me a little bigger too. Okay, I'm going to download that. Change the name to Guardian Circle. And then we're going to go back to YouTube and scroll down to the thumbnail. Didn't want to do that. And select change. And should have given it a title before I downloaded it, but anyway. Hit save and done. Update it. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to make thumbnails. It's something that isn't complicated, but to take some thought in order to make sure that you have something that draws somebody's attention. We want to be able to draw attention to our content, and a thumbnail is usually the first opportunity we have to do that. So comment below if you know of any free websites where content creators can create thumbnails for their channels. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and until next time,